Life never stops. Meetings, stress, responsibilities, it's like you're always running. But then you ride, and for just a moment, everything else fades. No deadlines, no noise, just engines, wind, and the crew that gets you. Riding with friends is like hitting pause on chaos. It's the reset your soul didn't know it needed. It's where real life begins, on the road, with the ones who ride beside you. Follow us for more moments that remind you what living really feels like.
Cause when it hits that point, she knows. You walk in, and out she goes. Arguing over bullshit while you out with your bros. Love is a physical sport, so stay on your toes.